Rules for addition of signed numbers goes like this. Number one, very first step, this is the step that people don't do. Rewrite the expression with no parentheses and no multiple signs. What I mean is plus negative isn't there anymore. Make it minus. Minus negative, make it plus. Number, plus number, minus number. Everything's just a number followed by a plus or minus sign. Just a bunch of pluses and minuses. If you have multiple signs, an odd number of negatives is a minus, an even number of negatives is a plus. So if it's minus minus, that's 2, even, plus. Plus negative, that's 1, that's odd, minus. So it's just going to be starting from first number, pluses and minuses all the way through. Add all the positives to get the positive result, add all the negatives to get the negative result, subtract the positive and negative, and the answer is the same sign as the number with a higher absolute value. If I have negative 8 and positive 6, 8 has a higher absolute value, the answer would be negative. If I had positive 16 and negative 2, 16 is bigger than 2, positive. Alright? So the answer is always the same sign as the one with bigger number. What messes people up? They've heard the phrase 2 negatives make a positive, right? That's a multiplication rule. We're adding. Okay, so no multiplication rules today. The bigger number is the sign of the answer. So, here it goes. Example 1. This is what the problems will look like. Negative 5 in parentheses, plus 4 in parentheses, plus negative 3 in parentheses, plus positive 2 in parentheses. The numbers are 5, 4, 3, and 2, right? Looking at each number in front of the number, how many minuses are there? 1, so it's negative. How many minuses are in front of 4?
0.
0, so it's positive. 0 is even. How many minuses in front of 3? 1, so it's negative. How many minuses in front of 2?
0.
0, so it's positive. Okay, that's all there is to it. Pluses or minuses, figure out each one. Okay, I want every addition or subtraction problem on your paper to look like this when you're ready to evaluate it. I don't want parentheses, and if parentheses get in the way, cause people to mess up. Once you've done that, what's left is any positive number adds to any other positive number. So 4 and 2 make 6. Any negative number adds to all the other negative numbers, which makes 8. And the negative sum is negative. All right, the positive sum is positive. All the positives add up to a positive number. All the negatives add up to a negative number. All we're doing in that step is adding. I don't care if it says plus or minus. Everything's addition. 4 and 2 make 6. 5 and 3 make 8. The 5 and 3 are negative, so it's minus 8. So you get a positive answer and a negative answer. And then the final step is subtraction. 8 minus 6 equals 2. 8's bigger, it's negative, so it's negative 2. Always subtract big minus small. You know why? In second grade, you learned to subtract big minus small. Why change what you already know how to do? Always do, but it doesn't matter what's minus. Big minus small to get the number. Bigger number is negative, so it's negative. That's all there is to it on that one.